Hey guys, I'm Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time watching, welcome back. Today, I'm so excited. I haven't even opened this. I literally got it in the mail today. I rushed home and we are going to do an unboxing today. If you do not know what this is Aunt Jackie, her La Peach and LeBron's Artist Couture highlighters. I've seen them everywhere on Instagram, like I'm sure everyone else has. I was hesitant to get them because I bought highlighters before, or I bought like collaborations where I'm like, you bought into the hype, you really don't need this, Fenty Beauty. But I felt like I wanted to support. I have seen people use it and it looks amazing. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm just excited because I literally sped home for this. Okay, Jackie sold is two separate highlighters. So there is La Peach and LeBron's. So last year, I think early last year, she came out with LeBron's as her Artist Couture collaboration. It was like a limited edition special feature. Once it's sold out, it's over kind of thing. I did not get it because I was just convincing myself like I didn't need to spend money on it. And of course I was disappointed. So when we found out that she was bringing it back with not just LeBron's, but its cousin, La Peach, I feel like I had to get it. I tried to talk myself out of it like 10 different times, how I don't need it, how it's not worth it, but I got it. So here's what I got. I got the bundle package, which is you get this super cute Artist Couture, like glitter, Jackie Aina, you know, rose gold is her thing. So you get this makeup bag. So it's a makeup bag, but I honestly am probably gonna like use it just for anything in my wallet, maybe carry makeup, maybe as a wallet itself, but it just has her signature. It is a rose gold glitter and Artist Couture, a really simple bag, but I think it's a nice little keepsake with the bundle. And then I got the two highlighters. I think each highlighter was $28, or you could do the bundle where you get both highlighters and the wallet makeup bag for $55. So by the time I got one and saw like shipping and taxes and everything, it just made more sense to get both. So I got both. So the packaging is pretty simple. The whole idea for the line is this rose gold. So it's this rose gold box, again with her signature and the Artist Couture logo. Okay, so here is LeBron's. Here is the regular packaging. So again, we have the rose gold top. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Artist Couture, but they make a pretty wide range of diamond glow powders and other different products. The highlighters I've seen are always super intense, super pigmented, and a really fine milled powder. So this looks like it's gonna be the same thing. It looks like it's a loose powder. I have a couple loose powder highlighters. For the most part, they're all pressed powder, so I'm kind of nervous because the experience I've had with them in the past have been like they get everywhere and I can't really control them. So we'll see how that works. But this is LeBron's, which is supposed to be more of a bronzy powder. And La Peach is supposed to be more of like a peachy, lighter powder. I think what the reviews I've kind of seen have said is LeBron's is really intense and deep. And maybe if you're like a more fair skin tone, might not work for you. Whereas La Peach is a little more neutral on like the typical highlighter side. So I definitely wanted to see what they both were like. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. I'm gonna do a swatch with a couple other ones. The reason I hesitated is because I have some other highlighters that I felt like might have kind of done the same thing, and I didn't want to buy a duplicate in another packaging. So let's swatch La Peach. Hope I don't get this everywhere. Okay, so first thing, I hate when they have this kind of top, and that's probably just because I have nails, so I cannot get this open. So I'm gonna open these up and then I'll go ahead and swatch them. Okay, so I stand corrected. This is actually, it's like a twist plastic top with a sifter. So it looks like when you travel, you can actually just turn it and you'll be able to kind of control the powder, which is nice. So let's see, this is LeBron's. It is kind of tricky though, cause like you shake the product out, like what? So I'm just gonna shake it into the top and we'll just kind of work from there. Ooh. Okay, so that's pretty. No, that's really pretty. So that is LeBron's. Definitely a copper, rose gold, super pigment. That's rich. I can definitely see how if you're maybe a fair skin tone, like that's doing a lot for you, but it's intense. But if you see my review on the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, that was intense, but like in the long run, that was intense kind of to the point of like, where you going? Like, I find myself pulling for that one because I pay for it. Not so much because it's easy to use. Even just like the finger that I swatch it on is, yeah, that's a lot. Okay, so let's try La Peach. Same thing, I'm going to shake it into a top and I'll try to get the product from there. Let's see. I do feel like this could get messy in the long run, but I'm gonna try to keep it controlled. Whoa. So that is La Peach. Definitely lighter, definitely more of like a golden rose kind of color. They're both super pretty and super pigmented. I didn't use a lot on either, and I'm excited to put this on my face. Okay, so I have some other colors I'm going to swatch really quickly that I thought might have been the same, but now that I'm swatching them, I don't feel like they're this pigmented, but just to see. So I have Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the color Moonstone, which is a light peachy kind of color, just so you can kind of see, I guess, other highlighters beside them. And then I have Tourmaline from the same kit. Tourmaline might be the closest. But let's see. Okay, let's see. So here is La Peach. No, this is LeBron's La Peach, Moonstone, and Tourmaline here. So you can see these two are definitely more pigmented and they're a lot deeper in color. And there's maybe two more ColourPop ones that I thought might be able to kind of compete or do the same thing. And that is Most Necessary in Avalon. So I can do a quick swatch of this if I have any room left on my arm. So that's Most Necessary here, and this is LeBron's. So still in the pinky kind of rose gold family. The LeBron still does look a lot denser though. And last one we're gonna try is Avalon. I don't think I have any fingers left. This is, I'm out of hand. This is Avalon here, and this is LeBron's and La Peach. So Avalon is still kind of close because it's a coppery, but it's still a little bit more sheer than La Peach. So now I've done my full face, I've done my makeup. I'm literally just waiting to put highlighters on because I wanted to see like what these look like, and I wanted to do them first impression. So let's go ahead and try La Peach and LeBron. I want to say I'm gonna do one side and hope it doesn't look too mismatched or too crazy. If so, we'll just blend them together. But let's try La Peach and LeBron's. I'll try them with my full face and see how we like it. Okay, so I am taking the Real Techniques. This is actually a setting brush, but I really like how it does for highlighter. And I put a little bit of, like literally a little bit of product in the top. This is LeBron's. And I'm just gonna lightly tap that in there. It seems intense, so I don't want to get crazy. You can always add more, but once it's on there, it's on there. Okay, and then right on my cheekbone, let's see. I am going to can't see. I feel like it might be getting crazy. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this isn't crazy. I thought it was gonna get crazy. I still want to blend it out some, but I feel like this is super brown girl friendly. Like if you're a deeper skin tone than me, this will definitely still work on you. And I feel like this is normal enough to do like for work or for regular life. I was thinking La Peach might be like really popping, but this is, yeah, no, I'm into this. Let me see if I can, like a little under the problem. Yeah, this is pretty and this is normal. Okay, so on the other side, I think I'm getting crazy. Okay, I'm getting crazy. I want to keep putting it on. I'm like,
looking at your face like that's enough, my guy.
No, I want to keep going. Oh, this is good. No, this is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna try La Peach. So, oh, we're close. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this brush off and I'm gonna do La Peach on this side. So here's the bronze. Better focus. Having a little more on. I'm gonna blend this out. I just like to see. I feel like you can't see without really. Oh, when that catches the light, that's good. Okay, let me dust her off. So now we're gonna go with La Peach, which looks super intense. So I'm a little nervous. Again on the cheek. Well, oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. I don't know if it's the light or I don't know if it's this popping in real life or if it's the light. This is good. Okay, so I was expecting to not like La Peach as much, but I feel like this is normal enough to do like for work or for regular life. I was thinking La Peach might be like really popping, but this is, yeah, no, I'm into this. Let me see if I can, like a little under the problem. Yeah, this is pretty. Okay, so I honestly was expecting to not like La Peach as much, just because I felt like it was gonna be a little bit more like the other highlights I have, but I don't know if it's the light, the monitor, or... So let me just add, I want to go in as much as I did with LeBron's because I went a little heavy with LeBron's. Really, okay, I'm gonna go heavy so you can see the color, and then I can always blend out, but I want you to see the color on skin kind of pay off. Okay, so this is La Peach. This is the bronze. I feel like I could use more LeBron's, but this is the bronze. This is La Peach. I'm going somewhere, so I'm going to mix the two of them so that I'm not like half and half. That might get crazy. I'm going to mix them. So I'm going to add LeBron's to this side. Oh. Well, that's it. Okay, that's too much. No, it's too much. I'm going to blend it out. I'm going to blend it out. It's gotten crazy. That'll look good in the picture, but in real life, she's doing the most. And of course my lashes is falling off, but that's normal. Okay, so that's me mixing the two. And on this side, I'm gonna put the La Peach on top of the LeBron's. A little, I'm literally just highlighting because I want to use product right now. Alright, so I really think that covers it. That is my unboxing for the Jackie Aina for Artist Couture highlighter collection, LeBron's and La Peach. If you're unsure, like I was on ordering them, honestly, of course, I've only tried them once, and this is just me looking in the camera. I think they look beautiful. I have more highlighters than I can probably count, and pulling the ones that I thought were gonna match, they still didn't seem to have the same intensity or the same color. For $55, you're getting the makeup bag and 2 highlighters. I have highlighters that are almost the same price and I get less product. So I think it's worth it. And most importantly, I think it's super important to support not only other black businesses, other black women, other black YouTubers, and it's a good product. And I feel like I didn't even try this as like an inner tear ducts highlight. I haven't even tried it as like a body powder. I haven't done all the things that I know you can do and I've seen people try in videos, but I really like it. It seems like it's super finely milled. It doesn't give you that like chunky glitter highlight that some of them give you where it's like speckles of glitter on your face. And even with as much as I put on, I still feel like it feels relatively natural, and it's definitely super brown girl friendly. None of that like weird gold flakiness that's happening. So if you are interested in seeing any other reviews for any other products, or there's some other products that you've kind of been iffy on but you want to get someone else's opinion on them, leave that in the comments below. Comment, like, subscribe. I have some other product reviews and some other new things that I have found that I've tried out for you guys. I'll be posting those soon. This is Malibu Darby. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.